forms. And this is the second form. You can see the tip here of the one you can find on the elytra, and this is the tip of the one you can find on the abdomen. Again, an interesting thing, this is a piece of amber. The amber is a Baltic amber, the one you can find in North Europe, is 45 million years old. 45 million years old. Sometimes you can find in amber insects. This is a fly. And here you can see something very peculiar. Well, these are Laboulbeniales. Are in perfect condition, and these were described as obviously a very different species. 45 million years old. It's unbelievable because they are exactly very similar to the ones we found before, we find now. You can remember genus Stigmatomyces. I was told by one of the reviewer of the paper, oh, it is impossible they can be of the same genus. You have to describe a new genus. And I said, why? They are identical. I don't want to describe a new genus. I don't know which character can be chosen to describe a new genus. So I described it as a species of Stigmatomyces, the one we still find now after 35 million years on the flies. More recently, I was sent this picture. This is Dominican amber. Dominican amber is maybe 13 million years old, so it's much more recent. But again, you can see a beetle, Leiodidae, and look there. You can see perfectly the species of Laboulbenia, which still needs to be described. So, there is a big problem for anybody who wants to study Laboulbeniales, because Laboulbeniales are fungi, and usually fungi are studied by mycologists. But how to get the material? So, if you want to study Laboulbeniales, you have to collect insects. So, the Laboulbeniologists, very few of them indeed, are entomologists in the field and are mycologists in the laboratory. So, for collecting, you behave like an entomologist and you collect insects, for example, with an aspirator under the bark of the logs. Sometimes you need some more sophisticated instrument, like this one,